Hi friends, today we will be discussing about a new concept called as heat transfer. There are three ways in which I could transfer energy from one point to another point. These three ways are conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, so if you want to transfer heat from one point to another point, what you have to do is you must have a process by which you could transfer that energy. So conduction, convection and radiation, these are the three processes by which you could transfer energy from one point to another point. What we'll do is we'll first discuss briefly what conduction, convection and radiation is, and then we could go into details and various examples of conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, so first let us discuss what conduction is. Now conduction is a process where the transfer of energy takes place from one point to another point without actually the matter moving. Okay, so there is a transfer of energy only, there is no transfer of any mass. Now the matter will not move from one point to another point, only energy gets transferred. Now when it comes to convection, what happens is there is a transfer of energy, but there is also the transfer of mass from one point to another point. So in case of convection, what happens is energy is transmitted using the particles. So the particles take this energy from one point to another point. Therefore that is how we have the energy transfer. Okay, now radiation is a peculiar form of transfer of energy. Now radiation does not require any matter. Now in case of conduction, we said that matter does not move. In case of convection, we said that matter moves. But in radiation, we need not have any matter. The radiation of the sun comes from travels from sun to earth. The average distance between sun and earth is around 149 million kilometers. Now even such large